Yep.
This video is we are making a
Okay, so what did we mix?
we added vinegar,
Yeah.
we added food coloring, we added baking soda, and we added some
So we mixed it up, and there's baking soda in there. So
in here.
go ahead, pour some.
See what happens. I have to fix my pants.
Oh man, look at that. That's cool, Zoe.
Wow!
All right, that's good, sweetie.
Here, just overflow it.
We made a mess now. We're gonna clean it up afterwards. Was that fun, sweetie?
That's
All right, say bye.
bye.